Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. If you remember right, the last time we learned that our S and H, when they go together, make a special sound. Do you remember what the special sound is? That's right. It's shh, the sound we make when we want someone to be quiet. So when you see an S and an H together, you know that it makes the shh sound. Let's play a game. Look on the screen. There are 9 triangles. Remember, a triangle is a closed figure with 3 sides. Underneath every triangle is a letter or letters. Your job is to say the sound that that letter or letters makes. Look at the first one. Shh. Let's keep going. Ready? What sound? Ah. What sound? B. What sound? D. What sound? Shh. Mario, what are you doing there? What sound? Eh. What sound? Ah. What sound? Shh. Great job. All right, let's go back to our alphabet. Do you remember the alphabet song? It's where we sing the sounds of the letters, not the names. And remember, some of our squares just teeter like this, and we can't see the letter. Do it with me. Here we go. Ready? A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, great job, amazing. Let's do our next sound activity. Remember, we're going to take a word that has 2 parts. We're going to take off the second part and say what's left. Here we go. Say jersey. Without Z, what's left? Jur. Say folder. Without der, what's left? Foal. Say cable. Without bull, what's left? Hay. Say magnet. Without net, what's left? Mag. Say ignite. Without night, what's left? Ig. Say laundry. Without dree, what's left? Lawn. Say journal. Without no, what's left? Jur. Say monster. Without stir, what's left? Mon. Say number. Without burr, what's left? Num. Great job. Now it's time for blending. I wonder where Mario is. Oh, there you are, Mario. Are you ready for blending? All right, boys and girls, are you ready? I will say 2 sounds. You blend the sounds together to make a real word, and then Mario will say the word for you. Are you ready? Here's our first one. I. Sigh. Yeah, like I sigh. Next one. E. Knee. Yeah, like my knee. Next one. Ooh. Moo. Like the sound a cow makes. Great job. Ooh. Zoo. Is there any moose in a zoo? Next one. All. What's that word? All. Great job, boys and girls, with Sounds with Mr. Slates. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.